So as many of my friends and viewers have been asking me this common question, and yes, why not? Because I have gone through the same stage where I have faced the same problem, where I didn't find much information on the documentations and the steps that are involved in the BCPNP Tech program. Yes, this is definitely a concerning question and a point of confusion for many of us, and it was the same for me as well. So today, let's get into my computer where I can share with you all my personal profile to help you guide through the steps that are required in the registration process. And in the following video, I will come up with the list of documentations that are required for completing this process successfully and submitting this application process successfully. So friends, if you have already seen my last video, which was on the application process or the steps that are required to fill out the application for the BCPNP Tech program, and if you have missed out, I will definitely put a link in my description box for you to check it out. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you all the detailed application and the documentations that are required for completing your application for the BCPNP Tech program. And I hope today's video will be really helpful for you all. As promised in my last vlog, today I'm going to share the list of documents we needed during our BCPNP Express Entry Skilled Worker application in the year 2020. And friends, this involves both documents that were arranged by us and the documents that were provided by the employer. But before I start, please note this list varies from case to case. However, most of these documents are easy to arrange as all the forms and templates are available in the BCPNP website. However, if you still have any confusion or you are unsure, then I would recommend you to consult an IRCC approved immigration attorney to do this on your behalf. In continuation to the first part, once a case is initiated, you need to provide the required information. So the first form you need to fill up is the applicant's information. In most cases, the personal information fields are pre-filled, but I would advise you to go through the information carefully to ensure these are correct, such as your passport number, issuing date or expiry date, your contact number, and the residential address as well. And friends, just a heads up, I'm hiding my personal sensitive data here for security purposes. Now, here's a note on the intended place of residence field. In this field, you can select the city that is in or around your company's work location, which kind of gives an idea that you are planning to settle down in or near to your work location. Now, a very important fact. If you have any other active application other than the one you are currently working to submit, you should provide information for that too. It is all about being honest and providing correct information to avoid any confusion and delay. The program's backend application is intelligent enough and runs backend verification process with your submitted data. In case there is any mismatch, the application might get flagged. So it is very much recommended to be honest while answering these options or questionnaires. If your BCPNP is approved, you will get additional 600 points to apply for permanent residency. Please feel free to comment down if you want more information on this. If you are based outside of Canada, then select your current country of residence. In case you are in Canada on a temporary visa like student or work permit or PGWP, then select Canada as your country of residence and provide the correct address. It doesn't matter if you are not residing in BC. Next is the educational form, where you have to provide your education details starting from your secondary to post-secondary. Just to give an example, in our case, we completed our secondary and post-secondary education from India and we provided that. If you have a bachelor's degree from BC or any other province of Canada, you need to provide that. Based on all this information, Welcome BC will calculate your points in its internal backend system. After the educational form, the next important one is the work experience form, where you need to provide all your current and past job details. One thing to note here is that you should understand all the NOC codes and provide the correct code that is relevant to your work experiences. Based on your selected NOC code, system determines if you have the correct job related work experience. In our case, I mean for both me and my husband, the NOC code is the same as our Express Entry NOC code, which is 2173 Software Engineer. Another important point to make a note of is that please don't leave the roles and responsibilities section blank or just too little. Try and provide at least few lines in bullet points, and yes, this should be in simple, easy to understand English from your work experience. The BCPNP officer assigned to your case will go through in details to evaluate and determine your eligibility. And once again, if you need more information or help in this, please feel free to comment down if you want more information on this, and I would be happy to help you with that. Next section is the family information, where you have to provide all your family details. Now, another most important and challenging form to fill up, the job offer section. Before filling up this form, you should collect all the necessary company-related information from your hiring manager or HR, such as the full company name or their operating name if these are different, proper company business address, etc. You will be asked to provide a point of contact from your organization who can be the HR or the hiring manager and their official email addresses and office phone numbers. Case processing officer may try to reach out to them in their official email address or phone number in case they want to validate. Please note that in order for your company to be eligible to support you, they have to have LLP or INC or limited or other registration details that needs to be provided too. In our case, it is incorporated in BC. They provided us with the INC number. Next comes the prospective job information, where you need to provide your wage information and NOC code correctly. If you only know your yearly compensation and need help to calculate the hourly wage information, please feel free to comment below and I would love to help you on how to do that. In the attachment section, there are two parts, applicant's docs and the employer docs. You need to provide a job offer, your latest unexpired or not soon to be expired passport copy, Canadian license copy if you are already living in Canada and have a valid driving license, and copy of your IELTS language test. Last but not the least, you probably have to provide few other documents too that might vary from case to case. Let me share with you all the documents provided by our company and accepted by the BCPNP Case Processing Officer to support our BCPNP Tech EEBC Skill Program. Number 1. Employer's unexpired business license copy. Number 2. Company information. Number 3. Incorporation certificate. Number 4. Job offer form. Number 5. Usual job offer with. Number 6. Employee recommendation letter. Now, a very important point to note in the employer provided documents part. You need to provide the job offer information in both company letterhead signed by you and your hiring authority and also in the BCPNP form. To get the latest version of this form, please visit the Welcome BC website as shown. Navigate to the correct form, download and share it with your employer. Your employer will fill it up for you and return it back duly signed. Usual job offer with roles, responsibilities, duties, wage, office address in company letterhead signed by us and the hiring authority. Job offer form downloaded from Welcome BC website shared with our employer to be duly filled, signed and sent back to us. Employee recommendation letter that should be of maximum 2 pages providing information on why they are hiring us and our skills, etc. Company information. This should be a single-page document in the company letterhead providing important information such as when the company was formed, their business information,
key people of the organization and field of their business, etc. As I mentioned, this may vary from case to case, but these are the basic docs required from the employer side to support your case.
So friends, I hope today's video is going to help you all. So if you haven't watched my previous video, so I will put down a link in the description box for you to check it out. That will help you to file the initial registration process for the BCPNP Tech program. If you find today's video to be little helpful, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. As I have been always telling that every comment means a lot to me. And if you are looking for any specific content, please do not forget to put down your comment in the comment box and I will love to do a video on your requested content. Thank you to all those who are already subscribed to my channel, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon button so that you get notified when I upload a new content.